never seen a dirtier dog in my whole life. Oh my God. You filthy, aren't you? Just having a good time in the dirt. Flagstaff. Gonna hit up my first truck stop shower. I am changing it up. Oh my God, this is nice. I'm gonna take a bath. Dude, this is a truck stop shower. Like, I'm all about it. $13. What's up, Flagstaff? Dude, it's like so grateful right now. Yeah. Pretty sure all the truck stops are gonna be a step down from this, but oh, so glad right now. Dang. This makes me so happy. Oh, I love it. Heading to the Grand Canyon from Flagstaff, Arizona. I would live out here. I just drove past these houses that were like a bunch of houses in the middle of nowhere. I guess I can't make any decisions till I stay somewhere for a while. But yeah. I love the mountains. I love the open. I don't like the city. I don't really like the people that much. I love people, but I don't necessarily like them. Because all of their beliefs and all of their mental constructs, you know, it's like too much to get through. I'd rather just be in nature and wait for the special people that I connect with. And sometimes it's online. A lot of times it is. I like technology. I just don't like it to be used against us. You know, there's been a lot of beings coming to this planet for millennia. The Earth is not 5,000 years old, people. It's ancient. This planet is so old, and there's been a lot of influencing energies, and it's really influenced the minds and the people and the way things are here. So we gotta understand that. The Earth is floating in a star system. The sun is a star. It has a life cycle. There's chemistry and biology, life happening everywhere, in all sorts of forms. So anyways, keep your head high. Don't be afraid to change your mind. I mean, who do you think you are? What are your beliefs? Do they hold you back, or are they really helping you? You should understand that. I am so happy out here. I love the wide open. I need to live somewhere where the mile per hour, like I want to drive slow. Oh, I love it. I'm so happy. I love America. Wide open spaces. See, if they really, the controllers, if they loved us, they would spread us out. They would give us all this land, but instead they're trying to shove us into little cities, and they try to make it sound good, like life's so much better, but it's not. It's called rounding them up and then poisoning them and killing them. You know, it's like there's so much space out here. We could live together peacefully on this earth so well. We just need to get rid of the controllers. They think they're a superior race. They really do, and they're not. Because like I said, there's been beings coming to this planet for so long. And NASA and Smithsonian, they both are government agencies that hide all of this information from us. There's evidence. We know this. I've heard of people wanting to like rush Area 51 and stuff like that, but it's even bigger than that. You know, it's like, it's not about finding out there's aliens. It's about finding out that, I don't want to say we are aliens, because there is real earthlings. There's real earthlings that are derived from this nature. And then other beings maybe have come from other planets and mated with them. It's what they say. It's in the Sumerian tablets. You have to watch the Ancient Civilization series on Gaia TV and open your mind. See what's going on. This is our Earth. When I say our, I mean the people that want to take care of it, the people that belong to it, not the people that come here and want to take over. You know, that has happened. And they're still here in some shape or form. And they've blended with the earthlings. Think what you will. Oh, it's raining / snowing in Flagstaff. I don't even remember the last time I was around snow. Charlotte's never been around